My name is Adekunle Alaude. For maths today, we'll be talking about simple interest. I believe you know whenever you sell commodity, you try to make some extra money, and that extra money is known as profit. But in the case of simple interest, when you try to keep money, that is saved, or you give out money, that is you lend out money, there's tendency for you to get extra change from that, and that extra change or money is known as interest. Now if you look at what I have here, I said interest is a payment given or charged for saving or borrowing money. Then what do you mean by the simple interest? Simple interest is calculated on basic sum of money saved or borrowed. Then the amount is the sum of the money and the interest. Now let's look at what we have there. What do you mean by simple interest? That is interest equals to PRT over 100. What is P? That's the principal, the amount you save or you give out. While the rate, that's the percentage at which you are going to calculate your interest. Then the time, that's the duration, time for the money to be saved or to be given out. So if you look at this example 1, find the interest on 3,000 naira for 4 years at rate of 8% per annum, which means the solution I is equals to PRT over 100. Your principal there is 3,000 naira, while the rate is 8%. The time taken 4 years, duration of keeping that money. So I is equals to 3,000 times 8 times 4 over 100. 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0. You are left with 30, 8 and 4. If you multiply these 3 times 8 times 4, that will give us 96. 96 and the 0 here, that becomes 960 naira, which means our interest is equal to 960 naira. Let's look at this second example, example 2. Find the amount on 80,000 naira for 2 years, 3 months at the rate of 9% per annum. Solution I is equals to PRT over 100. The P is 80,000 naira, that is the principal, while our rate is equals to 9% and the time 2 years 3 months. 2 years 3 months, that means you have to make that month in form of year, and in 1 year we have 12 months. That becomes 2 whole number 3 over 12. Then 2 times 12, 24 plus 3, that becomes 27 over 12. So I is equals to PRT over 100. Our P is 80,000, while our R is 9% and our T 27 over 12. 80,000 times 9 times 27 over 100 times 12. 0 in 0, 0 in 0, then 12 here, 3 here, 3, 3 here, 4, 4 here, 1, 4 in 800, 200. So we are left with 200 times 3 times, go. Solution I is equals to PRT over 100. Our principal is 80,000, while the rate is 9%. The T, time, 2 years 3 months. And you know that in 1 year we have 12 months. So that becomes 2 whole number 3 over 12. Change that to improper fraction. That becomes 2 times 12. 24 plus 3, 27 over 12. So I, that is the interest, is equals to PRT over 100. That is P 80,000, rate 9, then the time 27 over 12. That becomes 80,000 times 9 times 27 over 100 times 12. So 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0. 9 here, 3 here, 3. 3 in 12, 4. 4 in 800, 200. That becomes 200 times 3 times 27. If you multiply this together, this will give us 16,200. Since we are asked to find the amount amount is equals to principal plus interest, and we know that our principal is 80,000 while the interest now is 16,200. If you add this together, that will give us 96,200. Let's look at the third example. Example 3. Find the interest on 73,000 for 180 days at the rate of 8% per annum. Solution: I is equals to PRT over 100. The P, which is the principal, that's 73,000. Rate, which is R, that's 8%. And the T, time taken, 180 days. Now if you look at this, it's not up to 1 year, so you have to place it over a year, and in 1 year we have 365 days, so that becomes 180 over 365. I is equals to PRT over 100. Our P 73,000, rate 8, and T 180 over 365. That becomes 100 times 365. 365 in 730, that is 200. 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0, so we have 2. 2 times 8 times 180. Our interest now becomes 2,880. Sorry, 2,880. So with this, I believe you should be able to solve problems on simple interest. Thank you. I will send you an assignment later.